Configuring your partners or lead buyers is the most important part of the boberdoo system. When creating or editing a partner account, the Account Information tab displays a number of switches that allow you to customize the permissions of the partner account and their login. For example, you can allow them to add funds to their account, change their account status to active or not active, and even choose whether they can request refunds or not. Next, we're going to look at the most important part of the whole boberdoo system, the lead filter sets. The filter sets are the custom business rules that you create that define which leads each of your partners is eligible to purchase. You can build multiple filter sets in multiple lead types, giving you the ability to price discriminate leads with different qualifications. In the filter sets, you will set things like the lead price, delivery method, which can be in different formats, priorities, exclusivity, lead caps on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis, and a lead schedule giving you the ability to determine the specific time of day and day of week pattern and a specific price for each period. Because we build your lead types to your specifications, you can filter on any required non-text fields in your lead type. So for example, in our health insurance lead type, you can filter by age, gender, and conditions. But if we look at the payday lead type, we see the ability to filter by residence, military, and income. This flexibility in setting up lead types and filter sets for lead buyers will give your company the ability to maximize its revenue by better defining the leads sold at specific price points and allow you to sell only to those clients that can actually service the lead. It also opens up your business to generate leads in any vertical in any country. Finally, we can take a look at the inbound phone routing filter set. Unlike other systems which partner with third-party call providers, you can manage both web leads and calls in the same boberdoo platform. And more importantly, the distribution and billing for the calls follow the same boberdoo routing logic that processes over 750,000 leads per day. We can see that this filter set for inbound calls looks very similar to the web lead filter sets with some additional call-specific switches. An important point to note is that built into your boberdoo system is the ability to route calls from any country to any other country, which means you are not restricted to US calls. There are also several switches from duration and buffer to geosegmentation, which you can use to customize what calls the client can receive. We can also do custom IVRs, and you can build your own phone campaigns for further routing options. Your final step in setting up your partners is adding invoicing or billing options to their account. Your boberdoo system comes equipped with several options that allow you to bill each partner however you desire. You can allow your partners to buy on credit and associated credit limit for each partner. We even have an auto rebill feature that is integrated with authorized.net CIM, as well as a monthly recurring charge option. You can also manually add funds to your partner's accounts by clicking on the Transactions tab. And among our other billing options, we also have an Invoice Manager, which allows you to create and send your invoices from within the system. Finally, the last thing I want to show you on the partner end is your partner admin. Your partner's login gives them access to their own dashboard, leads page, reports, add funds tab, and more. Just like in the vendor admin, you can adjust each of your partner's permissions and display only the features you want them to have access to. Now let's take a look at where it all comes together, not surprisingly called the Leads tab. The Leads tab gives you a real-time view of all of your inbound and outbound leads. From this page, you can see the source that the lead came from, the cost of the lead, who it was sold to, and for how much. You can filter your leads page by either a date range or by using the filter tool, which allows you to drill down by a number of variables that are specific to each of your lead types. Finally, each lead also comes with a set of tools. These include processing and reprocessing options, a view of the lead QC results if enabled, and also full lead log. If we look at inbound phone, we see that it looks very similar to the web leads, with the added ability to see the call duration and listen to the call recordings for quality control purposes. That has been a brief overview of getting leads into and out of the boberdoo system. Lastly, we will look at some tools to help you run your business.